Good morning, children. I hope that you all are keeping well. Stay at home, stay safe. As you all know that coronavirus is spreading very fast, so you have to take care of yourself and your family too. Do not touch your face many times. Use sanitizers, mask every time. So let's get back to our studies, and today in maths we have already started chapter number 1, numbers up to 200, but today we will start from page number 22, comparing numbers. So rule of comparing numbers are 3-digit numbers is bigger than 2-digit number, as you all know, and 2-digit number is bigger than 1-digit number. For example, 165 is bigger than 89 and 89 is bigger than 8. So you can see this sign of of telling you that these are the signs of comparing number, to compare numbers. You can see here also it has been written in the yellow box. We use the sign to compare numbers. So to compare 3-digit number 125 and 172, we write the expanded form of the numbers first of all, and first compare the 100 place of the numbers, then tens place, and then ones place. The number with bigger value place is bigger number. So you can see here 125. So you will write 100 plus 20 plus 5, and here 100 and 172. 100 plus 70 plus 2. So numbers at the hundreds place are equal. So you can see 1 is equal, that means 100 place are equal. Now at the tens place 70 and 20. So 70 and 20 is there. So it is said that 70 is bigger than 20. So you will put this mark here, this side, that this is the bigger number and 20 is the smallest number. So the answer will be 172. 172 is bigger than 125. You will make the sign like this. Now come to ordering numbers. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, it is ascending order. Always remember, student, from smallest to biggest, it is ascending order, and when the numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest is the descending number. From big to small is descending, and from small to big is ascending. You can see here the definition here. Ascending order is also called increasing order, and descending order is also called decreasing order. Ascending means, increasing means from small to big, and descending means from big to small. You can see here ascending order: 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. So from small to big is ascending order, and descending order you can see 129, 119, 118, 117, 116, 115, 114. So this is descending order. Going up is ascending and going down is descending. So arrange 178, 56, 104, 188 in ascending order. The ascending order will be, so the smallest number is 56, it will come first, 104 will come second, then 178 will come on third, and 188 will come in the last. So this is smaller to big. This is ascending order. And what is descending order? Arrange 90, 45, 182 and 126 in descending order. The descending order will be, so first biggest number will come first, 182 will come first, then 126 is the second biggest number, so it will come on second, and 90 will come, and at the last 45, the smallest number, will come the last. So bigger to smallest is descending order. So I hope that you have understood this. So let's move to the exercise. Please see. Put the bigger or smaller or is equal to in the boxes. So you have to see, tell that which number is the bigger number and which number is the smallest number. You can do it by yourself also. So 126 and 157. So 157 is bigger, so you put the sign like this. 116 and 118, you put the sign like this. 133 is bigger than 106, so you put the sign like this. 170 is bigger than 166, you put the sign like this. I have put the sign like this because I have to show you that you can do it as the ascending order also. So descending order also you can show that a smaller number is like this. So 192 is equal to 190, both numbers are equal, and 133 is smaller than 183. So you put the sign like this. So arrange the numbers in ascending order. It has been given very easily for you. Ascending order, I have told you, is small to big. So search the number in this order and you write here. So first is 23, you will put here, then 65, then 90, then 155, then 157 and 178. So again in the second line, 82, 86, 100, 100 and 120, 159 and at the last 189. So arrange the number in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. So you will take the number from here. So which is the bigger number? Exactly 133, then 128, then 125, then 90, then 78, and at the last the smallest number is 56. Here also you see which is the biggest number. You can see 188. Correct, student. And another number 100. Very good. And before that 120 comes. So 100 is smaller than 120. So you write 120. After 188 you write 120. Then 100. Then 34. Then 12. And then 9. So circle the cards with even number, cross the cards with the odd numbers. So you can do this exercise by yourself. So it is very easy for you to circle the even and odd number. This is the homework for you. Please do it by yourself. Cross the cards with the odd numbers. I have told you what are odd numbers. The numbers which have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at the ones place. So cross the numbers which are odd and you will see which comes in the last, that is 1. So 141 you cross it. Then another number is, so you will see the number at the ones place, you will cross this, you will cross this, and we cannot see this is the even number and 0 is also the even number. Then here 100 is even number, you cut this, 3 is odd number, 180 is even number, 198 is even, and 152 is also even. 166 is even, 174 is even, 131 is odd number. You cut it like this. 116 is even number, 173 odd number. You cut this. 120 is even number, 101 odd number. Cut it like this. Then 190 is a even number, 169 you cut it like this, 134 is a even number. So always see the number which is at the ones place, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. You cut that number. I hope you understood and you will do it in your books. So let's come to projects and activities. So projects and activities work in pair. Choose these numbers, and let's come to this is a part of EVS. Food gives us energy. We get food from plants and animals. Rajat brought 153 almonds, 110 strawberries and 100 eggs. Write the correct answers. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. So ascending orders means, I have already told you, ascending means from small to big. So 100 eggs, 110 strawberries and 153 almonds. So write it like this. Which of these numbers are even? 100 and 110, because the last number is 0. So this number is even number. Which of these numbers are odd? 153, because the number 3 is at the ones place and it is the odd number. Write one more item that we get from the plants, that is vegetables. And another thing you want to write, you can write. Write one more item that we get from animals. Milk. Egg we get from animals, and milk we get from animals. Meat we get from animals, and many other things we get from animals. So what will you do if some food is left after all family members have eaten? So it is a very important question for you students, that what will you do if some food is left after all the family members have eaten? So ask your mother that what she does with the food which has been left when all the family members and you have eaten the food. So create and solve. So here is an activity for you. If triangle is 100, square is 110 and the circle is 1, create two even numbers and two odd numbers using the shape given in the space. Ask your friends to find out the numbers. Arrange the number in ascending and descending orders. So it is a very easy exercise for you. You can do it very easily, students. So the smaller number is 1 and the biggest number is 111. And the middle number is 11. So you can make the ascending and descending order in the book. Let's come to the worksheet. So Ali and Ayush are playing with the blocks. The blocks have numbers on them. You can see here 1, 5, 8, 7, 3, 4, 2. So create 5 3-digit number up to 200 using one number from the first row of the block is one number from the second row from the block. So you have to create 5 3-digit number using 200. So first from the first block and second from the second block. So and the number is 2. From the number 2 that is on the first block, you have to make numbers from the second and third blocks, rows. So first is 258, we have used the first block. 234 we have used. 276 we have used. 249 and 280 we have used the block. So 3-digit number, 2 is common in all. So now it is very easy exercise for you. Draw lines to put the balls in correct basket. Color the balls with the color names on the box. So I have done this for you. I have told you what is odd number and what is even number. Haven't I? So odd numbers less than 150. You can see here odd number 1 less than 150. Can you see? If anyone can see, please tell me. No? So odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So here we cannot see the odd number less than 150. So red basket will be vacant. Even numbers less than 150. So even number is 120 less than 150, and only one number comes here, 134. So these two numbers will come in the even number less than 50, that is green color. You will color these circles with 120 and 134 with green color. Now come to the orange color. Odd numbers less than 200 but more than 150. So see the last number, 187. You can see 183. You can see so this two circles will be of orange color because it is less than 200 and more than 150. Now even number less than 200 but more than 150, 168, 192, 198, 160, 166, 100, this 52. So this all number are more than 150 and less than 200. So you will color these all things with blue colors. I have drawn the arrows and you color it with the colors. So I hope that you have understood the odd even numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. I have told you even numbers have the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the ones place, and odd numbers have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at the ones place. So ordering number, I have told you the number that arranged from smallest to big is ascending order, and when the numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Ascending order is also called increasing order from smaller to big, and descending order is also called decreasing order from bigger to small. So I have done it for you students. 2 exercises I have given you to do it by yourself, and coloring also you do it by yourself. And I hope that you have understood what is comparing numbers. You have to compare the numbers, you have to make the sign which is the biggest number, which is the smallest number, and which number is equal to. So I have told you about the smallest number and bigger number also here. These are the comparing numbers. Please do it, this comparing numbers by yourself, and practice it at home. I will give you the work which you have to do it in your copies, but first you have to do page number, you have to complete page number 23, 24 and 25 in your maths textbook. Thank you for the class, students. Stay at home, stay safe. May God bless you and your family members and keep you fit and healthy during this corona period, and your family members too. Stay blessed, children. Thank you for the class.